Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a custom Shopify Admin Action App from scratch using the Shopify CLI. This app will let us track product issues and store them using the Shopify Metafields, all inside the admin panel. I already have opened VS Code and I have created these folders for my checkout extension. So let's start by initializing the new app. Run this command Shopify app init, and it will take some time, and we are going to build extension only. So choose extension only because our app will embed into the Shopify admin and won't need a full front end. Okay, so I will select build an extension app only, and from here choose your organization. Which organization is this for work for? So in my case, I will select this Wixop Technologies, and now it will ask me to create this project as a new app on Shopify. Yes, create is as a new app. If you have already created the app in Shopify partner dashboard, you can select no, but in my case, I will select yes, create new app, and I will hit enter. And here I will name this app my first admin action app. Okay, so you can name it anything, but in my case, I will name it my first admin action app, and I will press enter, and it will start installing the dependency. It will take some time to install all the dependency, and now it is done. Next, we are going to this directory. We will type cd. Let me just make it bigger so you can easily see. So I will type cd my and hit tab, so it will select the exact directory folder. Hit enter. Now I am inside my first admin action app directory, and this time I'm going to run Shopify app generate extension. So you will type Shopify app generate extension, and now we will be able to install the admin action. So we have a different option to choose here, like admin action, admin block, admin link, etc. And there are many actions extension here. So in our case, we will choose admin action, and we will hit enter. And now you can name your extension. So I will name it issues tracker action. All right. So you can name anything you would like. So I will hit enter. And from here, we need to select which language we are going to use. We are going to use JavaScript React, or simple JavaScript, or TypeScript React, or simple TypeScript. So for this demo, we will select JavaScript React, and now it is generating extension. and installing all the dependencies. Okay, it will take a few seconds to install everything. Okay, now our extension is installed. What we can do, we will open this folder, my first admin action, and then go to the extension folder and click on the issues tracker and go to the source and open this file. Okay, this is our action extension.js file. Let me open this file as well, the shopify.extension.toml file. I'm going to replace this file with my code, so I will explain you what happened. Okay, so I replaced the shopify.extension.toml file. We have API version 2025 and 01 month, and the extension, we have the extension name and the handle, and then we have the extension targeting. Here we will target the extension like where this admin UI will be admin block will be disappeared. So in our case, admin.product_detail_action.render. So we will use this target. I will show you where it will display, and the module we are using, source action extension in extension.jsx. Okay, so now let me replace this file as well, action extension.jsx, and I will explain you everything about that. Okay, so we have important use callback, use effect, use state from React, then import React extension, use API, text field, admin action, button, text area box from the Shopify UI extension React admin. And similarly, we have imported get issues and update issues from util file, which we need to create first. So I will create a new file over here and name it utils.js, and I'm going to paste the code in the utils.js file as well. So we have a async function which we have exported. Update issues, we will pass the ID and the new issues, and we will run this GraphQL query to set the Metafields, and we will add all the issues related to the product. The ID will be the product ID, and the namespace will be app.issues, and the key will be issues, and type will be JSON. And in the value, we will pass all the new issues. So these are our variables, and this is our GraphQL mutation query. And this function we will use to get the issues by passing the product ID. We will make the GraphQL query, and we will fetch all the issues related to that product ID. Okay. Finally, we have async function make GraphQL query. We'll pass the query which we described over there and variables, and we will make the GraphQL query to Shopify Admin API GraphQL.json. Method will be post, and in the body JSON.stringify we will pass the GraphQL query which we have described over here. And finally we will get the result. Okay, now let's go back to the action extension.ui, and as you can see, we have exported these two functions from these two functions from the utils.js get issues and update the issues. This function generate ID all the issues. For every time we will add the new issue, we will return the new ID. For example, we have already one issue and the ID is 1. We will add +1, and the next time when we will add the new issue, the ID will be 2. Then we have function validate form, title, description. Over here we have return is valid boolean title and description. We will make sure we have the title and the description, and then we will pass the error if there is no title or no description. Similarly, we have a target over here. This should match exactly what we have over here in the shopify.extension.toml. So these two should be identical in the action extension.jxx and the Shopify extension.toml. Then we have React extension function, and we will pass this target over here. And finally, the function app, the React component, where we will have the target by using the use API. We will get close and the data. Then we have issues and set issues, and this state we will pass the simple empty title and description by default. And once we fill out the form, we will set these issues, and the title and description state will be changed. Then we have all issues and set all issues state. Right now this is empty array, and once we add the new issues, this array will be populated. Then we have error and title and description, and we will pass the issue over here. In the use effect hook, we will get all the issues and data.selected.id, and then issues, set issues, and we will set all the issues, otherwise empty array. So whenever our app run, we will fetch all the issues. Okay, on form submit which we have created, we use callback React hook, and we will validate the form, and if there is any error, we'll set the form errors. If it is valid, we will update the issue. We will select the data.selected array.id, and we will pass all the issues. And then we will generate the ID and complete false and issue. We will pass the issues as well. And then we will close this model, and we will see the which dependency, like issues, data selected, and all the issues, and close. So this use effect will run whenever any issue, any close pop up, anything happened over here. And then finally we have our return function, where we'll pass the admin action component, and we have a title of this admin action, create an issue, and the primary action button on press, submit, create, and secondary button is cancel. On press create, it will call this function. On submit, which we have over here, and this code will run, and on press close, we will close the pop-up. And in that pop-up we have text field. Please enter a title, where we will add the title, and then we have a text area for the description, where we have the description. So very simple and very easy. Now let's try to see that in action. So I will type npm run dev, and it will ask me to choose your development store. In my case, I will select my development store, which I recently created, and this is my development store. And now it is running, and after a few seconds it will give us the link of our store. Okay, created extension issue tracker. But now we have different option: toggle development store preview, press D, press G to open GraphQL admin in your browser, press P to preview your browser in your browser, and press Q to quit. So you can simply click by control click and open this link, or you can press P. Now let me press P, and now this open the UI extension dev console. First I will click the app home. So we need to install the app first. So we have only the view personal data, store information. So before installing that, we need to make sure we can read and write the products. So let's go back to the Shopify app terminal, and we need to get the permission to write the products. So over here in the scope, you will type write products, write underscore products, save that, and we need to close this one time, and we will type Shopify app deploy. So our Shopify app.toml changes will reflect. So we have changed the scope, and yes, we will say yes, and this will release the new version, and now we will have the permission to write the products. So once again, I will type Shopify npm run dev or Shopify app dev, whatever command. So this is the same command, Shopify app dev and npm run dev, because we have defined that in the package.jsf. So now we will press P again, and this time we have another window, and I will click on app home, and now we have access to, we can view and edit store data and the products. You can see we can read and write products. And now I will install the app. Once our app is installed, we can go back and open the admin product detail action render. So it will open any product. Okay, this is the pop-up we have to create the issue. Let me close this so you can see clearly. Let me just cancel this, and I will go here in the products and open any product. And now if you go to the more action, you will see issue tracker action. You click on that and it will open this issue, create an issue tracker. So I will type here my this discount issue. Maybe this product is not giving me the right discount. So I created this issue, and I will press create, and this issue will be created and the issue information will be saved in the Metafields. So how we can see that? We will go to the Metafields, and then as you can see, we have tracked issues, and we have the JSON values over here. If I format that, this is our first issue. The ID is 0, completed is false, and title is discount issue. Description, this product is not giving me the right discount. So if I go back, let me save this. If I go back to the product again and open the issue tracker again, and now I'm going to write the second issue, free shipping free shipping is not valid for this product. Let's say we have another issue and we want to add this issue. So I will create this issue, and what will happen, it will update the meta field. If you go back here and go to the meta fields, and you will see and format the JSON. Now you can see we have two objects. And the first one has the 0 ID, the next one has ID 1, and the description is free shipping issue. And this is how you can create the issues on a different product. So one more product, if I go any random product, and right now if you see this product currently don't have any issue. So let's try to create another issue over here. Click on the add issue trackers, and let's say we have add to cart. This product is not letting me in, this product is not being added into the cart. We might have inventory issue, so please check. So I will create this issue, and if you go down, and you will see we have a new record in the meta field, add to cart issue, and the description of the issue. This is very simple and very easy. So once everything works and now we can deploy this app, simply just go back into the over here, and you can type Shopify app build, and then you will be able to, okay, we have successfully build the app. Now you can type Shopify app build. It will confirm the changes, and you will see the new version in your developer dashboard. You can now install it to any other stores or release update using the same command. And that's it. When we initialized an app, generated an admin action extension, build a React UI, connected to a Shopify admin API, tested and deploy our app. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more Shopify tutorial. See you in the next one. Happy coding. Thank you. Bye bye.